an exciting new brand, no? It's a Singapore-based company, no? And it's a 3Cs company. Basically, it comes out with products and the lines of cell phones, computers, and consumer electronics, the likes of which are digital cameras.
Okay, let's start with their dual SIM cell phone.
It's the world's first tri-band 3G dual SIM phone in the market. No? So, and this will retail for only 12,990 pesos.
Wow, the price is not bad. Well, we all know that sometimes network signals vary from one place to another, so having two different SIMs in just one cell phone is a great advantage. Okay, JP, what else does Versio has to offer?
We have our Versio TruePad T50. It's a laptop computer. Basically, it's loaded with features, no? Just to mention a few, it's already Core 2 Duo T54 series. The memory, it's already 1 gigabyte. Hard drive memory is 120 gigabytes. The graphics, it's already Intel GMA na X3100 with a 965 Express chipset. It already has a 1.3 megapixel camera. Now just imagine all the features that I've just mentioned. The Versio TruePad T50 is retailing at 36,990 pesos. Apart from the TruePad, we also have the Versio Envy, Versio's first PDA phone, which is available in the market. Again, it's loaded with features, no? Just to mention a few, it already runs on Windows Mobile 6 platform. The processor, it's Intel Marvell 624 megahertz, currently the fastest in the market. It's already 3.5G HSDPA, which means that in terms of internet surfing, downloading, video streaming, it's the fastest currently in the market. The internal memory, it's already 1 gigabyte. All these features for 24,990 pesos.
Wow, fantastic specs at a very affordable price. So, where can we buy them?
We already have 2 stores that are on soft opening. Our flagship carrier is in High Street in Fort Bonifacio. And the second branch is in Festival Mall in Alabang, 3rd floor. You can also avail of the Versio product lines with the major dealers, outlets in malls located all over Metro Manila. And so soon, will be available to the consumers, concept stores in Trinoma, Mall of Asia, Mega Mall, and even SM City Cebu.
Coming up, a mini karaoke machine on the go targeting the elementary students. On